Hello, I'm Bob Allison, WB1GCM, Senior Test Engineer here at the ARL Laboratory. Let's look at a pretty handy emergency power supply, the Aspect Energy Bar 250. Well, here it is. Inside this is a battery. And even though there's a battery in here, it's not too heavy. Let's look at some of the features of the Aspect Energy Bar 250. Starting over on the left side is the inverter output. The battery powers an DC to AC inverter, and there's the socket. It looks kind of funny because this socket can either power 120 volt devices or 220 volt devices by flipping this switch here. Turn the inverter on with this button here. There's a DC output from the battery with this DC lighter plug here, and we also have USB 5 volt output here at maximum of 2 amps with all 4 sockets. Here's where the energy goes in. You have to charge the battery somehow, and I'm going to show you all the charging devices in a moment. And of course, here is the power switch that allows the DC output to come out and also the inverter to work. Throw that on, and you probably can't see it on the camera, but right here there's an LCD display that says battery. It's kind of like a little gas gauge. Empty on the left, full on the right. Right now the battery is full. To charge up the energy bar, you can use this solar panel. Comes with a charge controller. Rick Palm explains it very nicely in the review. You can also charge it up with this accessory socket. You can plug it into your front panel of your car, your dashboard, and charge up the energy bar. Also, the more traditional way, charge it up from the wall. Here we go here. So this provides you with 3 different ways to charge up the energy bar. Once charged, you have hours of operating fun and pleasure off of DC. It's a great emergency powered device for amateur radio. It's a good thing to have an emergency power supply available because you never know what's going to happen down the road. Whether it be a car battery, solar panels, or the energy bar. Have an emergency power system ready to go. It might save a life someday. I'm Bob Allison, WB1GCM, here at the ARL Laboratory.